Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Palworld game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first solution is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Palworld game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, go to controller tab, and from here select disable Steam input first, and then restart the game, and after restarting the game check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you can also select enable Steam input and then again restart the game, check. Solution 2 is to press the Alt plus enter key. So try pressing the Alt plus enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in Palworld game or not. Solution 3, disable third party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other software on a PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4, check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Solution 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Palworld and select properties. Go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Solution 7 is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply close the Steam. Also make sure Steam is closed from the task manager. Then again relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Palworld game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.